Alright, let's look at the homework 1.5, problem number 8, part B. Alright, so let's find the domain of this function here. Alright, so since we have a square root, so expression inside the square root must be non-negative, so it has to be greater than or equal to 0. Right? So let's start with that. So 1 minus 5 to the t has to be greater than or equal to 0. Right? And the next step would be I'm going to add 5 to the t to both sides. So 1 has to be greater than or equal to 5 to the t. Right? Then we can take the natural log of both sides. So if you take the natural log of both sides, we get natural log of 1, natural log of 1, which is 0, is greater than or equal to natural log of 5 to the t. Right? But using the property of a natural log, we can move this guy in front. Right? So we can get t times natural log of 5. Right? Then we already know that this guy, natural log of 1 is 0. Right? So in order to isolate t, what we need to do is just divide through by natural log of 5. Right? But the 0 divided by natural log of 5 is still 0. Right? Then it's still greater than or equal to, right? Natural log of 5 cancel out, so you just get t. Right? So t is less than or equal to 0. Right? So in order to write it in the interval notation, so it's going to be negative infinity to 0 and including 0. Right? So let's type this guy in. Right? So it's going to be negative infinity to 0, and with the square bracket because we want to include that. Right? So I'm going to go down and submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got part B correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.